February 8th, year 2018, the Holy Spirit speaks to Wendy and Jillian. My dear Earth Angels, upon waking, what is the first thought to cross your mind? Are they thoughts carried over from the night before? And if so, do these thoughts fill you with peace and joy? Or do they cause unrest and dis-ease within? When the mind is full of those thoughts which are injurious to self and others, you must ask yourselves, what is the root source of the dis-ease? Do not allow thoughts of yesterday to keep you from me. I will help you to see what is necessary so you can allow your higher self to emerge. When you do so, right understanding will prevail. When you no longer justify the actions of others, perception gives way to clarity. This then is when you are able to see what needs to be seen. As seekers of truth, you must not cast arrows or judgment on others. When you are able to earnestly free yourself of those thoughts which generate dis-ease within, then you will foster those characteristics which nurture the soul. You cannot force another to think or respond as you would respond, for each must arrive at their own understanding. When one has a compassionate and loving spirit, they are able to forgive those who are unable to look past their own feelings, as they create barriers which prohibit right understanding and true forgiveness. To become a fully enlightened being cannot be accomplished in one lifetime, nor can it be accomplished until the soul is able to assume its rightful position. As seekers of truth, you must seek counsel from the sanctuary within. Come to me then when you are weary, and I will restore your soul. Pray then, my little ones, for right understanding, and I will nurture your soul. The peace which surpasses human understanding will enable you to emerge victorious, no longer being held by those thoughts which generate dis-ease. To be ever present in the moment is not easily accomplished. This takes practice and developing habits which free one of that which muddles the mind. When you earnestly seek right understanding, negative thoughts of yesterday will dissolve. As a result, one is able to fully engage in the moment, as today is sufficient unto itself. Go now, my little ones, and embrace the day as you move ever closer to the divine. Thank you for responding to my call.
Thank you for listening to our video message number 121 from the Holy Spirit. These messages have been written specifically for these times to teach, inform, inspire, and nurture your soul. For more information on ABBA and Company, our original Earth Angels book, as well as listen to our little book series, go to our website at www.earthangelsbook.com. Please subscribe to our channel and share with your friends, your family, or another in need. May God bless, protect, and guide you and your loved ones in these times.